How do I retrieve the number of columns in a Pandas data frame? How do you programmatically retrieve the number of columns in a Pandas data frame? I was hoping for something
like so.
Alternative. df.shape0 is the number of rows.
If the variable holding the data frame is called df, then gives the number of columns. And for those who want the number of rows, for a tuple containing the number of both rows and columns.
Surprised I haven't seen this yet, so without further ado, here is df.columns.size.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.